you so much. Buksan mo, papasukin ako. Oh, oh.
Dali na ay. Isip mo.
Thank you for the 5 like that. Thank you so much. Ma'am, it's Sia, is you still there?
Your account.
Oh my god.
Next. Sorry.
My live now is until 20 minutes only. Oh my goodness. My goodness. Hello, hello, hello. How are you there? What will we do? Buksan mo, papasukin ako. It's cold because we're using fan. I will show you my fan. Fan in my top on my hair. And another side there. We have here. We don't use our air condition because it's too expensive and the electric bill. So I'm using fan. Hi to my 8 viewers. Hello. How are you? Someday I will buy my live streaming chair because it costs a lot. I can't afford right now. So next time when I go live, I'm sitting on this. It's nice to have a white cover on bed, but I have my son. It's easy to get dirt. So now I use colored one like this. Oh, because of my son is yet getting. Oh, puyo ka maigo akong ano. Look at that. She's disturbing. Oh. Ayaw ba? She's playing one. Because my son is making jello.
One, two, three. He's out the sumagay. Shinga na po siya. Shinga.
Benito. Benito. Ay, ko lagi akong camera, Mac.
Sugkuhan na na.
She got it.
Toothbrush food. Ma.
Ay, comment guys, comment. Comment.
Pagani nila sa gunting ma sa itlog. Ma?
He's naughty. Who's naughty? Who's naughty guys?
Ano tipad?
Okay. Yeah, I will. After this live.